Hey guys, it's Miss Tatum. We're going to go ahead and get started with our reteach for this week. So I will be teaching you guys, and I'm really excited about that. So today we're going to be focusing on reading for gist and comprehension. Let's go ahead and get started. So there are two main tasks for today. First, I want to introduce the text that we'll be reading today and Monday. It's called Military Background of the Union, Confederacy during the Civil War. So we're going to be diving deeper and learning a little bit more about the Union soldiers and the Confederate soldiers during the time of the Civil War. The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to preview the text quickly and ask one question. Then you are going to be reading each section of the text and answering literal level questions just to check your understanding. There is one word to know that's really important to this text today, and that is the word secession. Secession, you can see what that means in this picture. It's the act of separation or leaving. In paragraph 1, you will see this word. It states 23 states remained in the Union after secession. The Confederacy was made up of only 11 Southern states. The South seceded from the Union. While you are reading, you are going to have two options. Option 1 will be that I will read each section to you, then you will answer questions. Option 2 is that you are going to read on your own and answer the questions. But if you get the questions wrong, you will be sent back. I want to say that again because some of us have been a little bit confused. If you get the answer wrong, you will be sent back. Let's go ahead and get started.